Now here's how you can upload videos as Reels on the Android. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the Reels are like the short form content, which is either part of the Facebook or part of Instagram, right? So if we, for example, go to the Facebook at first, make sure that you are signed in and everything works the way that it should. But the way to upload the Reels is by clicking the plus button in the top right, and you basically don't pick the post or story, but you specifically go with the reel, right? So you tap on that, the app will likely ask you to access your photos and videos so you can upload it from the gallery as usual, right? And you probably should have it ready, and that's kind of how it works on the Facebook. But on Instagram it's actually very similar, because in there you can as well just tap on the plus to create a new thing, and from the options which appear, you don't want to like click on the post, right? Because by default is likely going to pick the post. But if you select a video, which is going to be the videos on Instagram are now posted as reels, so no matter what type of video you post, you kind of like upload it as reels automatically. So you can click on the next. When you select that picture, you can see that we now are working with the reels like that. So you can click on the next, and yeah, that's how you can just upload it as reel as well. So doesn't matter if you're going through the Facebook or Instagram, the process is going to be very similar. So let me know if you manage to find it on your device as well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.